Hello everyone, my name is Rich Alikin Udabid from grade 11 STEM Year 1-15, and I am here to discuss exact and ordinary interest. Now here's an example on how to solve for the exact and ordinary interest. I have here example number 1. Find the interest on 13,600 at 3.5% from May 17, 2021 to September 16, 2021 using the following. A. Ordinary interest using actual time. B. Ordinary interest using approximate time. C. Exact interest using actual time. D. Exact interest using approximate time. Now here's the given. 13,600 times 0.035 times 122 divided by 360. The answer will be 161. Punta naman tayo sa B. Ordinary interest using approximate time. Substitute ulit ang given 13,600 times 0.035 times 120 divided by 360, giving us the answer of. Since ordinary interest using actual time ang kukunin, it will be based on 360 days in a year and the actual number of days in a month. Now, we will just substitute our given sa formula na I equals PRT. P is the principal amount or loan or investment rate in the interest, and T is the number of the days of loan. So our principal amount is 13,600 multiplied by 0.035 multiplied by 122 and divided by 360. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa exact. 13,600 times 0.035 times 122 divided by 365, ang magiging sagot niya ay 159. And dito naman tayo sa C. Exact interest using actual time is based on 365 days in a year. So we have 13,600 times 0.035 times 122 divided by 365. Dito naman tayo sa susunod. Dito tayo sa ordinary interest. Ito ang given. 13,600 times 0.035 times 120 divided by 360. Ang magiging answer natin pag nalagay natin sa calculator ay magiging 158. And dito naman tayo sa exact interest. Ito naman ang given sa exact interest. 13,600 times 0.035 times 120 divided by 365. Pag nilagay natin siya sa calcio, ang magiging sagot is 156. After I have fully discussed on how to solve for exact and ordinary interest using both actual and approximate time, it's now time for you to try solving on your own. I prepared here sample problems similar to what I discussed. Here's the sample problem. How much exact and ordinary interest should Herbert pay for a loan of 25,250 at 15% interest? Borrowed in September 15, 2024. If he promised to pay everything on February 7, 2025. And ito tayo sa month. Meron tayong September, October, November, December, January, February. Ang actual time days natin, lalagyan natin sa September, meron tayong 30 days minus 15 equals 15. And sa October naman, meron tayong 31 days. Sa November, 30. Sa December naman, meron tayong 31 days. And sa January, meron din tayong 31 days. And ganun, sa February naman, meron tayong 28 days, total of 166 days. And sa approximate time naman, 30 minus 15 equals 15. And Sa October naman, meron na lang siyang 30 days. And sa November, meron na lang din 30, 30, 30, and 30. Magiging ano naman natin dito is 165 days. Tayo sa ordinary interest. Ordinary interest, 25,250 times 15 times 166, which is yung actual time natin, divided by 360 equals 174. And dito naman tayo sa ordinary interest using approximate time. And yung ano dito, 25,250 times 15 times 165, which is yung approximate time, and divided by 360, ang magiging answer natin is 174. So, exact interest tayo. 25,250 times 15 over times 166 divided by 360 days. Ang magiging answer natin is 173. And dito naman tayo sa exact interest using approximate time, which is 25,250 times 15 times 166 divided by 365. Ang magiging answer natin is 172. That will be the end of our short discussion. I hope everyone learned something about exact and ordinary interest and be able to apply it personally. Thank you everyone, and before I end this video, let me leave a quote from William Paul Thurston saying that mathematics is not about numbers, equation, computation, or algorithms. It is about understanding. Bye!